suppose Congress passed a law that said that every person must buy 7 apples per week. And let's say I don't like apples, and the cost of 7 apples is, I don't know, $8. And I say that's a pocketbook injury for me. So I have standing to challenge that. Do I have standing, or do I have to show that the net benefit to me, monetary benefit to me, of buying all these apples is that it will improve my long-term health, and so healthcare costs that I might have otherwise incurred, I'll avoid. By buying all these apples, if I buy them, I'll feel that I have to eat at least some. Do I have to show net injury there?
Justice Alito, I acknowledge that in that hypothetical, no, you could challenge that regulation that is directly operating on you. But I think the problem for the states here is that they're asserting indirect harms. They're suggesting that through an attenuated chain of events, there is going to be perhaps the prospect of one additional non-citizen in their borders, and that's going to cause them harms. And there, I think we needed to substantiate. You've gone back to a different argument.
I understood those to be 2 separate arguments. You have the direct-indirect argument, and you have the net cost argument.
Well, here I think I was trying to engage on whether the district court could have reasonably concluded that there would be that kind of actual out-of-pocket expense for the states. And I was trying to make the overarching point that that's not how these enforcement priorities work in the first place. But even on the specific conclusions that the district court reached, we think that the findings were fundamentally flawed.